In this lesson, I will show you how you can extrude 2 or more 2D profiles, adding guide curves to control further the extrusion, and then remove the material of this extrusion from another solid. In the open document, I have created a box from which I will remove material using the Boundary Cut tool. As you can see, I have also created the appropriate sketches. At this point, I will activate the Boundary Cut tool from the Features ribbon. Once I activate the tool, the Property Manager palette activates automatically. With the Direction 1 field active, I will select the rectangle first and then the circle. Notice that the preview appeared automatically, even though I have not added any guide curves yet. Now, if I want to change the transition between the two profiles, I can expand the list that appears next to each profile and select a different option. For example, I will expand the list next to the rectangle, and instead of the None option, I will select the Normal to Profile option. If I click on the arrow that appears in the drawing area, I can specify the length, which the extrusion will be tangent to the profile. Alternatively, I can type a value in the Tangent Length field to specify the tangent length. So I will type the number 2 in this field and I will press Enter. Now, if I click on the Reverse Tangent Direction button, the direction changes. While if I specify a draft angle, I can add draft to the extrusion. In this example, I won't add draft, and I will select the Normal to Profile option for both the rectangle and the circle. Then, I will specify the tangent length at 2 mm. Notice how different the preview is. The rest of the transition options have been explained in the lesson about the Lofted Boss Base tool, so I won't elaborate on this lesson. At this point, I will select the None option for both profiles, and I will activate the Direction 2 field. Then I will select the curve which will be the guide for the extrusion, and notice that the preview changed accordingly. In addition, the sketch's name appeared in the Direction 2 field. Now we'll click on the check mark to finish the extrusion. Notice that the material of the extrusion was removed from the box. To understand even better the result, I will create a section on the front plane. Now we'll click on the check mark and I will orbit the view to inspect the result. So this is how the Boundary Cut tool works. Now you can use this tool too to create your own fascinating objects.